Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm your host, FD for Sage5.tv, bringing you another hot comparison. This is a head-to-head between Solana and Sui. We can't have enough of that, can we? Solana and Sui, projects that I think are going to be competing directly in a head-to-head on the ground and also in this video. But before I jump into this head-to-head between Sui and Solana, because of what's going on at the moment, because I think Sui has been ripping while Solana has been going up. There is a difference there. Ripping means it's going at a faster rate, just going up, doing its thing. Solana has been going up decently in recent time, but it was ripping during 2024 into 2025. But before I proceed, guys, please know that this is not financial advice. These are just my own opinions meant for entertainment as well as educational purposes. Please do your own research or do find a financial advisor who can give you financial advice into what you need to do with your resources, your finances, and so forth. If you are from the UK, please know that this information is not intended for UK audiences. Go check out the FCA and find out what their stance is as far as the crypto industry is concerned and investing in crypto. Let's bring it back to Sui versus Solana, who are both high-performance layer 1 blockchains aiming to address scalability, speed, and cost challenges in decentralized applications. While they share similar goals, their approaches differ significantly. In this video, we are going to present to you a critical comparison of their key features, infrastructure, and use cases, as well as the tokenomics. Let's start off with the key features and infrastructure. And to kick us off is Sui. Sui utilizes a novel consensus protocol called MIST-30, designed for low latency and high throughput transactions. It employs an object-centric data model, allowing for parallel execution of transactions, which enhances scalability. It is built using the Move programming language, originally developed by Meta's DM project, emphasizing safety and flexibility. And you know which other project uses Move? It's Aptos. Sui is capable of processing transactions up to 120,000 TPS, or transactions per second, on a single validator node. And as for Solana, it combines proof of history, or POH, with proof of stake, or POS, to achieve high-speed consensus. Solana uses a traditional account-based model, facilitating straightforward transaction processing. It primarily uses the Rust and C programming languages for smart contract development. Solana achieves high throughput with low latency, making it suitable for various decentralized applications. That is on key features and infrastructure. Moving on to the use cases for each of these, and we start with Sui once again. Sui supports DeFi applications with its scalable and efficient infrastructure. Sui is also optimized for gaming applications requiring fast and secure transactions. Sui facilitates the creation and management of digital assets with its object-centric model. As far as ecosystem growth is concerned, it is rapidly expanding its ecosystem with increasing developer interest and project deployments. And for Solana, well, we know it hosts a robust DeFi ecosystem with numerous protocols and high total value locked, or TVL. Solana also supports a vibrant non-fungible tokens, or NFT marketplace with various collections and platforms. It is designed to facilitate gaming and other Web3 applications with its high-speed infrastructure. Solana is a mature ecosystem. Its ecosystem is established with a range of applications and active developer community. So that's on Solana. Let's briefly look at some of the elements of the tokenomics. Token supply for Sui, it's sitting at maximum supply of 10 billion Sui tokens with a hard cap. Utility for the Sui token includes transaction fees, staking, and governance within the network. And its economic model is designed to maintain low and predictable gas fees, encouraging network participation and stability. As for Solana, token supply is sitting at 500 million with an inflationary model that decreases over time. And the Sol token itself is used for transaction fees, staking, and participating in governance decisions, which is similar to Sui token does. And Solana's economic model incorporates an inflationary mechanism to incentivize network participation, with plans to reduce inflation over time. I think there have been votes, or people are voting or proposing something of that ilk. So which will prevail in the short to long term? Well, Sui introduces innovative features like object-centric data model and the Move programming language, offering high scalability and efficiency, particularly beneficial for gaming and digital asset management. Its fixed token supply and predictable fee structure may appeal to users seeking stability, while Solana, with its established ecosystem, offers high throughput and active developer community, and it continues to be a strong contender within the blockchain space. It is a mature infrastructure which supports a wide range of applications from DeFi to NFTs. While Sui represents promising technological advancements, Solana's established presence and ecosystem maturity give it a competitive edge. However, the blockchain landscape is dynamic, and Sui's innovations could position it as a formidable player within this space in the near future. As of April 2025, both Sui and Solana are prominent layer 1 blockchain platforms with distinct market positions and growth trajectory. Looking at the price movements, compare head to head, current price for the Sui token is sitting at around $3.70, while the Sol token is sitting at at around $154. Market cap for SUI is sitting at 9.56 billion at the time of recording, while Solana's is sitting at 79.19 billion. And the FDV for each of these, SUI is sitting at 29.42 billion fully diluted valuation, while Solana is sitting at $91.73 billion, which is like 3 to 1 of Solana. Circulating supply, SUI is sitting at 3.25 billion, or about 32.5%, while Solana is sitting at 516 million. So token, don't think there is a maximum cap on that, so that's why we said it's inflationary. Maximum supply, SUI has got 10 billion with a hard cap. Solana is sitting at 599, but I don't think there is a hard cap. If there is, let us know in the comment section. We may change our records, the information we hold on Solana. Potential growth for each of these. Well, SUI's recent performance has been incredible. It has experienced significant growth with a 74.4% increase over the past week from the time of recording, of course, and a 45% rise over the past month. That is exceptional performance. SUI's market position based on its 9.56 billion and a fully diluted valuation of $29.42 billion gives it a market cap to FDV ratio of approximately 0.32, indicating that a substantial portion of its token supply is yet to enter circulation. So that is something to pay attention to if you're about to jump into SUI now. Check the token unlocks. That might give you an indication of what might happen in the very near future. You don't want your assets or your portfolio to be diluted by extreme token unlocks. As for the growth potential for SUI, the relatively low market cap and FDV suggest that SUI may have more room for growth compared to more established platforms, especially if it continues to gain adoption and expand its ecosystem. That last part is one to pay attention to, because if you are comparing room for growth, you got to look at these things. What is the market cap? What is the circulating supply and so forth? And what does the token unlock schedule look like? Because that might determine whether you're going to make a giant killing or just make moderate gain as far as your portfolio is concerned. Looking at Solana's growth potential, the SOL token has shown a modest increase of approximately 3.5% 24-hour price change, with a 6.2% rise over the past month. So that is moderate compared to SUI's figures. Solana's market cap stands at approximately 79.19 billion with an FDV of approximately 91.73 billion, resulting in a market cap to FDV ratio of approximately 0.86. Given its already substantial market capitalization, Solana may have less room for explosive growth compared to newer entrants like SUI. However, its established ecosystem and developer community provide a solid foundation for sustained growth. So you got to balance these things. Are you conservative? If you are, maybe Solana is for you, but if you're a risk taker, maybe you may want to take some risk and jump into SUI. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. My final thoughts on this head-to-head, guys, the latest installment, is that while both SUI and Solana have their merits, SUI's recent performance and lower market capitalization suggest it may offer more significant upside potential in the current bull market. However, as an investor, you should always consider the inherent risks associated with newer platforms, including market volatility and adoption challenges. The likes of Solana have already experienced at least one bull market and a bear market, so they've survived. Would that be the same for SUI? That's for you to find out. Conversely, Solana's established presence and robust ecosystem may appeal to those seeking a more stable investment with steady growth prospects. Like I said, there are risks involved within the crypto space. Please do your own research. After all, it's your money. Don't just throw it away. Do proper research. This is not financial advice. Until the next one, guys, this is FD for 65.tv signing out for now. Bye.